My name is Tammy Sliger, and I am the Executive Director and founder of Kiddy Up Ranch. We're a non-for-profit therapeutic writing facility and learning academy. We started this ranch almost 12 years ago with one little girl in mind at that point, which was Teresa Gottney. She had cerebral palsy. And since then, our ranch has grown to serve really all special needs and children of all different abilities and disabilities, whether it's the child that may have cerebral palsy, Down syndrome, autism, a broken heart, pediatric cancer. We serve the child who has had a traumatic experience, maybe has been in foster care, or who has been adopted and trying to make that, that transformation in their life. And also the kids who have been human trafficked. We definitely serve our community at all capacity, kids with learning disabilities. And we do this through many different programs that we offer here at Kiddy Up Ranch. We offer the therapeutic writing, of course, which is going to help the kids with balancing, speaking, building their core muscles up, learning communication skills, learning how to be a team player, teaching them patience. There's all different things that we are able to teach them through the horse. But we also not only do it in the saddle, we teach them beyond the saddle. So it's important to us that they also learn a work ethic as well. So not only knowing how to ride their horse, but also understanding that there is a part of the horse that they need to take care of as far as grooming and tacking. So it's not just come here, get on the horse and ride, and then you're gone. No, we actually teach them how to take care of the animals. With Kiddy Up Ranch, we, being a non-for-profit, we rely a lot on the community support. A lot of our animals come from a variety of different backgrounds. So most of them are not purchased, but they are either donated or they come with a variety of different needs. And we find a different purpose for them. You'll see with one of the horses back here, Cash, he has one eye. Well, he is a great partner in teaching, empathy, and also to help the students to be able to see that not only humans come with some disabilities, but also our animals can come with them too. One of the things that we definitely are so thankful for is our volunteers. We have volunteers who have been with us for 10 years and who still contribute to this program each and every week. The volunteer really is the heartbeat behind the program. Being a non-for-profit, trying to staff what it takes to actually have a therapeutic writing session would be nearly impossible to keep a program like ours afloat. So it's because of the heart of the volunteer is why this works. So we do Special Olympics as well here, so we have equestrians from all over the county that come and compete. And we also do equine facilitated learning. So that's where a lot of our specialized groups come in, maybe youth at risk. And like I said, the kids who have unfortunately have endured human trafficking too. After and during COVID, one of the things that we started to see a lot of was, participants coming to us with a lot of anxiety and a lot of different needs when it came to emotional support. We do offer a program for our veterans, through Freedom Reigns. But we were seeing a lot of kids who were coming and really not knowing how to cope with the additional anxiety that they were having, especially gone through a pandemic. We have 2- and 3-year-olds who come to us with absolutely no social skills. And it's because if you think about what our last 2 years have been, we've been told not to socialize. So we have spent the years, especially this last year, having to re-educate ourselves on how the equine is actually able to help a child that might suffer from anxiety or a lack of social skills. And so we have really capitalized on the equine facilitated learning side. And so we have our own stories here of participants who started with us 10 years ago. And now here they are, they're becoming adults, and they are graduating high school and looking into college, and they learn their work ethic here, right here at the ranch. This is their place. This is the one place that the kids can come, and it's truly inclusional. A lot of people will say, well, we have an inclusional program. Well, you're going to see today, our program's truly inclusional. You have the kids that might have a special need, and then you have kids who don't have a special need. But we don't look at anybody's disability here. We look at everybody's ability and what they can do, not what the world has ever told them that they couldn't do.
Hi, I'm Ashley Zacchio. I'm 17. I've been with Kiddy Up for 10 years, and it all started because my biological mom did some not good things, and then I ended up being adopted by my grandparents. And when I first started with Kiddy Up, I just wanted to ride horses to ride and have fun. And it ended up being more than just riding and having fun. It ended up teaching me a lot of life lessons, like responsibility, how to care for an animal, how to care for people, how to help people that are different. But at the same time, it teaches you that they're not different, they just have different abilities. When I get out of high school, I want to become an occupational therapist and continue what I've been doing, because on Saturdays I volunteer and I also teach 2 of my own lessons, and the one that I enjoy the most is a 3-year-old who is developmentally delayed and has autism. And he came to us not wanting to speak, and now he says, please, walk on, down, thank you. I also have my own horse now, and he's taught me a lot, like patience, and how to teach someone something that they don't know how to do, because he's only 8 and he doesn't really know a lot. So I have to learn and I have to teach him. The horses in general just teach you a lot. They teach you, that your emotions can affect someone's day or an animal's day in that matter.
And so that's what Kiddy Up Ranch is all about. It's about finding that part of you that you want to grow. And then that's what we want to be a part of. We want to help you to be the best version of you, no matter what that looks like.